What's up, gang? It's Tuesday. We're prepping for Tuesday Olympic lifting technique tidbit. This is for the snatch. So last week, I think we used a mobility and kind of like joint prep move called the trap 3 raise. It's like one of those like it factor type moves where if you spend the time and develop the ability with the move, you're going to end up noticing a whole bunch of stuff get better down the road. Today is going to be something similar. It's just how to take the Cuban rotation and like all the little details to get the most out of it. So it helps if you can set up with like a mirror or a friend to make sure that you're doing this properly. So let's just go through what the mechanics look like first. You're going to get a piece of PVC to start with here, and you want about a 90-degree angle at both elbows. And imagine there's like a dowel running through your upper body here, and we're just going to rotate on that axis. So you're going to lower the bar down as far as you can, pause for just a moment, and then bring it back up. The count that we're looking for is 4 count on the way down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to bring it up 1, 2. So you can come up a little bit quicker than you go down, but it's very important that the elbows stay in position as you rotate and that you're able to control the weight so that you can go down for the 4 count and then back up for 2. What you want to look for, in a starting weight, you want to make sure that you can go down without the shoulders really having to shrug to go up. We want to keep them set down and back in order to do this rotation properly. Once you maybe do a first round under the proper tempo, maybe 5 to 10 reps with a piece of PVC, if it feels good, you can add a little bit of weight. I really want to encourage you to start extremely light, maybe like 1 1/4 pounds on each side. But I like to put weight just inside my hands so that it doesn't hit me in the head as I do this. And we're going to do the same thing. So get set in the mirror or with your friend. You're going to rotate 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say that's where you can get. Then we're going to bring it up. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. The rep range I like is 5 to 10 repetitions and keep the same reps throughout the entire session. So similar to last week, I'd say hitting this auxiliary drill at the end of your sessions maybe 3 days a week. Start with a set of 5 with whatever weight. If you're able to go through all 3 sets of 5 reps, the next training session, bump it up to 6, so on and so forth, until you can get all the way up to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. And if you're able to do that at that volume with the proper tempo, then the next time you go to do these, I want you to bump the reps back down to 5 and go up just a teeny bit in your weight and just start the wave over again. And this is, like I said, one of those drills, if you're diligent and consistent with it, you can follow it for quite a while as far as progressively adding more load or more resistance there, and your shoulders are going to thank you for it. There's no need to let this be too much of an ego stoke. It doesn't have to be heavy. It just has to be quality, and you'll take a lot away from it. So give it a shot at the end of the session tomorrow, either in the group classes or if you're doing anything home, and let me know what you think.